Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'll show you how to make a Jingle Bell card holder that will hang like a garden, and it'll hold all of our Christmas cards on the mantle without taking up any space or cluttering the top of the mantle. For the Jingle Bells, we're using a Rustic vintage Jingle Bell that came as a combination pack with a 1.57-inch rusty Jingle Bell and 32 feet of jute string, which we picked up from Amazon. Then we used 1-inch mini wooden clothespins, which we picked up as a 100-pack from Amazon. I'm sure we'll find other uses for them later. So we want to start out by pre-drilling the holes and putting some miniature hooks in the bottom of the mantle. Now, since everyone's mantle is a little different, and rather than telling you the exact measurements we're using, I'll explain how we got there. First, we put in our first hooks 1 inch from the end, and then we measured a total length between the two hooks. So we decided we wanted 5 gaps to hold 2 bells per gap. So we took the total length and divided it by 5. That gave us our spacing between the hooks. Then we pre-drilled and installed them, measuring from the outside in. This way, if our math is even a little off, the spacing in the center will be symmetrical. We want a little bit of tension on them, so we're going to affix them to the string without tying them off. We're going to cut some extra of the jute off, and we're going to take that and use that to create that tension. Now we're going to string all 10 Jingle Bells onto the jute string using a small pair of jewelry pliers to pull the string through in case it gets snagged. Now, once we get all the bells strung, we're going to take our little strings and loop it through and tie it around the jute string. This will create enough tension to hold everything in place but still be able to move up and down and slide along the line. Now we're going to hang the garland with 2 bells in between each of the hooks, and we're going to adjust the tautness of it, and at this point it's really a matter of preference. And then we'll tie it off and it's all set. Now let's start hanging the cards. We only have a few right now, but as we get closer to Christmas, that's going to change. We're going to use the miniature clothespins to pin the cards directly to the line. Spacing it really is a matter of preference. Overall, it turned out exactly how we envisioned it. You can take and add items, bows, garland, hang ornaments, but we chose to keep it simple for it. With this last touch, the decorating is complete. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section or drop us a line on Instagram or Facebook. I'll leave a link to my Amazon store in the description where you can find the bells, jute, and the miniature clothespins. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.